Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at, or we can actually add first name and last name right here in our web page. So when you open the web page in Google Chrome, we actually can click and type in it. Alright, so this is a VS Code you're going to use to do that. Alright, so in between the body right here. Alright, so what I want to put here, I want to put first name right here. Now, to put this first name, hit a little space. Alright, put the bracket, I'm going to say input. Alright, input, I'm going to say type here, and then I'll put the equal. Notice I put the equal, notice the code come in the middle. So in the middle, what I want to put definitely in the middle, I want to put name in the middle, right there. And I can literally come like this, close it, press enter, go down to the next line. Now I'm going to put a break in between that, then I'll close up to the one another. So BR is break. Alright, I go down again. So we're going to put the last name, name, I get a little space. I'm going to put the bracket again. We're going to say input, and then we're going to put type. Alright, I put the equal. Alright, notice a quote in the middle. Alright, so I put name, that's the same, and I'm going to close it like that. So you can press Ctrl S. I can come right here, put the file, and come like this, and click on save. Now I'm going to open the web page in Google Chrome, right? So this is our web page on the desktop. So I'm going to right click on it. Now when I right click on it, notice I'm not going to press open. I'm going to press open with. Notice these are the options. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome, and you see exactly what take place. Alright, and as you can see so far, sure that it actually loaded so far, then you see exactly what's going on. Now when it come up, what we're going to actually do, we're going to actually test to see if we can type it in it. Right, so it's very important when you look at it from that particular angle. Alright, so you can see it loading. Right, so it's very important. So notice these are the elements right here. Right, with last name, zeta space, input type right here. Name and close it. Alright, let's go back to that. No, alright, if you notice it right up here. And if I click right here, notice it give me the option that I can type in the web page. Right, you notice? Does it see? But if you notice, they actually closely one another. So to adjust that, you come right back here. I'm gonna put another break in between them. Yes. Put one more break in between it. And I'll put the break in between it, then I'm gonna save it. Save it, and then bring up back this now. Then I'm gonna refresh it by coming right here. I click. Alright, you notice the space in between them now? Yes, definitely. So space between them. So this is where you can add first name, last name, clickable right here in your web page. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.